Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working in this little journal that I made, a while ago. I think the last time I worked in it was about a year ago. Um, I had made it and I had been putting like kind of positive affirmations in it. And I was thinking that I would do a few of these pages in November. Well, here it is, um, there's only like a week until it's December. So, needless to say, I'll have one page done. I don't think I'll get a second one because I have um, stuff I got to get done. Holidays are coming, and so I am still crafting, but it will most likely be Christmas related. I know. I have a cool idea for gift tags, so hopefully that'll be a video up soon in case you get inspired. But yeah, so I had this ink blot sitting on my desk from another project. It was on tissue paper. I had used it to clean up something I was doing, and I thought it was interesting looking, so I decided to glue it down. Obviously, it doesn't quite work, so I had to cut it in half, and it doesn't line up, but that's okay. I mean, you'll work with it, right? This is another piece of paper just sitting on my desk from some project. I liked it, so it's going on there. This book is a little eclectic. I think I have a playlist of the other pages, so if you're interested in them, I will put the link to the playlist down below, just in case. I mean, at the very least, you can see what's that thing on the left-hand side there. And I do have kind of an unusual color there, so I want something to relate to it. So I decided to mix up some color to put on that white little strip of white paper. So we'll get to that. I just found a bird for a focal image, and I'm looking for something that would make a branch for him to be standing on, because he needs to stand on something. Don't you think? How is everyone today? I hope you're doing well. It's been raining all day today here. Hopefully we won't get a lot of snow before Thanksgiving, since I'm driving to my sister who lives about an hour away. I've half driven there in a snowstorm, but it's not fun. So I'm hoping for good weather. It can snow after I get home. So, do you guys celebrate Thanksgiving? What are you doing for the holiday? Are you ready? Got everything prepared? It's coming. See, I'm doing this voiceover on Tuesday. It'll come out on Wednesday, and Thanksgiving is on Thursday. So it's tomorrow for you guys. So here I've mixed up the paint. I was trying to match it. I don't even remember what paints I was using. I probably don't even own the same paints I was using. So it's gonna have to be close enough. It looks a little bit better in person than it does on the camera. Doesn't look as reddish, looks a little bit more orangey. I don't know. But yeah. Just covering those, and then I'm like, this is a really quick little project. I will have some holiday type videos coming out. I've got a couple of projects I need to get done, so I might as well film it, right? All right. It's not perfect coverage, but I kind of like the imperfectness of it. I don't know. What do you think? decided I wanted to outline the bird. Felt like it was kind of blending into that paper bag background I've got there. And this is a junk journal type journal with scraps of paper and different things in it. So, I don't know. I think that makes it kind of fun. You never know what's going to... I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to put inside that little teeny strip that I just painted. That's going to be the next page to do. It's pretty small. Shading around the little scallops to make them stand out a little bit more. And I add quotes, and I looked up, I can't remember, I looked up a theme. Like I did random word of the day online and found a word and then found a quote. I can't remember what that was now. But the quote is, if you want to fly, you have to give up the things that weigh you down. And that's by Toni Morrison. I kind of like that. And it went with the bird. So that's what I picked. So do you like this spread? Kind of unusual. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving if you celebrate it, or a great Thursday if you don't. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.